to LutinX.com and click on Login, and then sign up. Select Private for individuals. A new window will pop up and it will ask you to enter a few necessary information for the first time. Enter all the details and hit Sign Up. Please note that the presentation code will be provided to you via email when you buy our license online or if one of your friends or colleagues provide it to you. You will receive an email to your registered email address with a confirmation and your unique user ID. Congratulations! You have successfully signed up in LutinX.com. Here is a simple process for individuals to upload their KYC information. Go to LutinX.com and click on Login. Enter your newly received user ID and the password. When you log in for the first time, LutinX tool takes you directly to the KYC dashboard. Click on Please continue the KYC process. In Account page, please accept the terms and conditions and hit Next. In Personal page, enter your name, gender, and date of birth. In Location page, enter your address information. In Verification page, enter your mobile number with your country code. The tax page will ask you to enter your social number, AVS, or fiscal code and hit Next once you are done. In the Place and Date page, you need to enter your identity document details, followed by issue date, issued by, and validity information. Note: driving license is not accepted. In the next page, attach a selfie and a scanned copy of your identity card, front and back. Hit Next and it's done. Your KYC documents are submitted for verification. It may take maximum 2 business days for final KYC approval. For support, please write to our support team. LutinX.com, your digital innovation partner.